Hey guys, how to find filters on TikTok. Launch the TikTok app on your device. Tap on the plus button at the bottom or the bottom center of your screen, right? And then basically and start creating a new video. And then on the right side of the screen, you tap on effects button right here. Let's say example, I took a video. Let's say for example, I want to take not this one. Let's say that one. Hit next. I'm gonna just cancel that music out of it, right? And basically gonna be able right here to see the effects right here by clicking the arrow on your on your right hand, and then click effects, and gonna be able to add effects to your video. Then basically continue to next if you want to add a catchy title and want something to support that post in order to get more views and get more engagement. And once you've selected the filter, return to the screen recording screen and start recording your video with the chosen filter. That's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.